was mainly was that. Cool moments. Interesting. Nice. Cool moments on the flash. I think is that Peak District up there? Possibly. That was cool. Oh, that's a much better view. I think they're straight ahead. Oh, view. Gone. Gone. That was awesome. Nice. There's still one there. So it just flew off there. Wild geese. So nice and quiet. This is awesome. It's like Blake Moss in the Deadmere last year, except quieter. Awesome. Nice. It's only 11 o'clock and I'm about, I don't know, halfway to Leigh, maybe. So, yeah. Great on time. New boots are okay. Feet are okay. Knees okay. So far. And twins this morning. Yeah, I injured my knee working at Iceland during the lockdown. Worst job I've ever had. Doing home shopping. I do not recommend it. Anyway, yeah, bash my knee. So, but yeah, I still managed to get out. So, cool. Good stuff. Something there a second ago. Something over that way. Damn it. Right, so this is at the back of a place called Abram. Yeah, and that's right on the crease of the map. So, Anywho, let's carry on. Wayward Mercer. So last year. Oop. No, ducks ahoy. White geese. Nice. Then there's a path on the other side of the canal. The map does say you cross over there at some point, but that is over the next bridge, which should be down here, because that's Abram there. So, well, I'm not going to worry about it. No, it's just a cyclist came down and turned round. So, yeah, cycle 3, yay! Yeah, this is. I can't see a path down there. On bridge. Yeah, I'm 5 in a row. One going in one direction, 4 in the other direction. I'm glad I'm on this path, not the psycho path. Dear. Why is it that I have against cycling and cyclists? Because I used to cycle a lot myself. I had a BMX as a teenager. Explored all the wilderness. I don't know, I think did something happen? Because like, it was about 15, 20 years ago. I remember borrowing someone's bike or something. I just went off it, and since then, just I always found cyclists a nuisance when I've been out walking. Yeah, don't go down cycle routes and, sit to mountain paths. Yeah, that would be good. Anyway, rant over. For now.